Hi dear students, welcome to this Ayushi online classes. I am Anita here. In our previous video, we have learned Thales theorem. Today we are going to solve exercise 6.1. Let's see how to solve. Exercise 6.1. In that, first question. Here one figure given A, B, C, and here D and E parallel to this BC. This AD is given 1.5 centimeter, this is given 1 centimeter, and this is given 3 centimeter. Here DE is parallel to BC. Find EC. We have to find here EC. Solution. We know that if DE is parallel to BC, then we can write here AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. All values we know. Put these values. AD is 1.5, DB is 3, AE is 1 and EC we have to find out. Cross multiplication. 1.5 into EC is equal to 1 into 3, 3. EC is equal to 3 divided by 1.5. 1.5 1 is 1.5, 1.5 2 is 3. This is 2. Therefore, EC is equal to 2 centimeter. We got value of AC. Next, second question. One more question is there here in main question first that you have to solve. Next, second question. E and F are points on the sides. E and F are the points on the sides. PQ and PR respectively. PQ and PR respectively. PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. State whether EF is parallel to QR. Here first one, in second question first one given, PE is given 3.9 centimeter and EQ given 3 centimeter, PF given 3.6 centimeter and FR given 2.4 centimeter. We know that if EF is parallel to QR, I will draw here. If EF is parallel to, this is one triangle PQR and this is EF. If EF is parallel to QR, we can write here solution. We know that if EF is parallel to QR, then we can write PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Put these values given. PE given here 3.9, EQ given here 3, PF given here 3.6 and FR given here 2.4. Multiply. Here multiply both sides by 10. Then 39 divided by 30 is equal to 36 divided by 24. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 0 as it is. 13 divided by 10 is equal to 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 3 divided by 2 is not equal to. LHS is not equal to RHS. So, EF is not parallel to Q, R. Remaining two questions same like this only, you have to solve. Next, third question. Third question, in figure, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. We have to prove this. Here figure given, A, B, C, D, and this is M and this is N and this is N. Given that solution, already given what, LM is parallel to this CB and LN is parallel to this CD. In triangle ABC, first one triangle ABC, proof. In triangle ABC, here ELM is parallel to BC or CB. We can write here AM divided by MB is equal to AL divided by CB. We can write AM divided by MB divided by AL divided by CB. Next, in triangle ADC, here LN is parallel to, this is equation 1, LN is parallel to CD. We can write AN divided by ND is equal to AL divided by AL divided by LC. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, here AM divided by MB is equal to AN divided by ND. This will get cancelled. Now we can write this MB divided by AM is equal to ND divided by AN. Add both sides 1. MB divided by AM plus 1 is equal to ND divided by AN plus 1. MB plus AM divided by AM is equal to ND plus AN into 1, AN divided by AN. We know that MB plus AM, we can write MB plus AM is AB divided by AM, and here ND plus AN we can write AD divided by AN. This one we can write AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. This is our proof. Next one, example, fourth example. In figure, given D is parallel to AC, and DF is parallel to AE, prove that. Here also we have to prove BF divided by FE is equal to B divided by AC. BE divided by EC. Here figure given. This is A, B, C, and here this one F, E, and this is D. We have to prove BF divided by FE and BE divided by AC. Given that already solution. Here given that already what given, D is parallel to AC. Where is D is parallel to AC means which angle we have to take? Triangle ABC. Already given, that is D is parallel to AC. So we can take triangle ABC. Here D is parallel to AC means we can write D is parallel to AC means we can take triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So we can write here AD divided by BD is equal to BE divided by EC. This is equation 1. Again given DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. Second given DF is parallel to AE. So we can take triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. We can write here AD divided by DB is equal to AF divided by FE. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Here BD get cancelled. So we can write BE divided by EC is equal to AF divided by FE. This is our proof. Hence proved. This is fourth question. Next, fifth question. Example 5. In figure, here given in figure given D parallel to, question is OQ and DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR. Show that what we have to show, EF parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR. Figure given here, this one is the here figure given P, Q, R, this is O, and here E, F, this is D, this is E, and F. This is given figure. Here given D, E is parallel to OQ. D, E is parallel to OQ means we have to take triangle P, Q, O. Solution. Given, already given here, what given? DE is parallel to OQ. So triangle PQO, we can take PQO, we can write here PE divided by EQ is equal to PD divided by DO. This is equation 1. Next given DF is parallel to OR. Here DF is parallel to OR. Triangle POR. We can write here PD divided by DO is equal to PF divided by FR. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, PD, DO cancel. PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Our figure was like this. This is E, F, P, Q, R, O, and this was D. So PE divided by EQ and PF divided by FR means here EF is parallel to QR. Hence proof. I hope you understood this. If you like, please share and subscribe.